Good evening, good evening. Luto tayo ng chicken tinola. I'm putting some spinach with it. So let's add more vegetables so it's more healthier. Parang si Popeye eating lots of spinach and he becomes so strong. Ayan. Ang dami-dami kong spinach but actually later it will just shrink. Ito pala yung ginagamit ko na ladle. Wooden ladle is better than the plastic one. So mixing more, and then yeah, that's my ladle. That's made of bamboo actually from dollar store. And see, tingnan nyo, konti na lang siya. Yung vegetable kasi nagsishrink after, right? After na maluto. Oh, it tastes so good. Smells so good. And let's try. Oh, ito pala yung ginagamit ko na ngayon because it has soup. Ang ladle ko, it's stainless one, deeper to get some, easier to get some soup. And let's try this one now. 1 slice of chicken and more spinach, more vegetable. And kakain na tayo. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!